Back in the garage today, working on a project for a friend of mine. His name. He has a 74 Duster. We've kind of cleared it. All the old paint and everything, bullet holes, dents, rust. Oh, yeah, here's the glove box. Yeah. And there is the panel that goes that folds down the rear seat, so he wants that done too. And then we got the ashtray cover. We'll do that. And we'll do this hinge for the glove box. So, gotta get to it. Gonna mask off the VIN plate so it doesn't get paint all over it. Perfect. So after what it seems like years, we finally got it all painted for my friend. All the interior pieces for his Dart are done. Ooh, pretty. There's the dash. Woo! The back seat. Oh, there's the steering column parts and everything else that go inside. Yep. Looking good. Kirky is going to be happy. He can finally start putting the interior back in his car. And I can get his parts out of the driveway. Woo! And then my buddy Kirk shows back up. And he's like, hey, I love all the interior stuff you did. It's great. Looks awesome. But I forgot some parts. So I brought them. Can you paint them? I said, yeah, give me the parts. So here's some more interior parts. These go around the doors for the handles on the inside. And these are for the shoulder belts. And the sun in California has baked them. They are chalky and nasty, but Kirk don't care. He just wants them painted blue to match. So we're gonna go ahead and do that for him. So just when you thought it was safe to get in the garage and start working on your own stuff, there it is. So with these plastic parts being so sun-baked and chalky, I'm going to hose them down with some adhesion promoter to try and keep the flakiness from being flaky. And hopefully the paint sticks. I've done this a few times with some really chalky coated door panels, and it worked out pretty good. That stuff lasted for a real long time, especially if you don't handle it too much after you apply it. So we should be good to go. Let's see how we did here. Oh. Okay, well, they're painted. It's blue. This one was the worst panel, and the plastic being so porous, it just sucks up all the color. Let's go take it out into the sun real fast, see what happens. See if you can see it out in the sun. Oh yeah, nice. Got some decent looking paint there. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that'll do. This panel's way nicer because it's in way better shape. But still, so you can see that chalkiness coming through and it sucking up all the color. Let's see here. These bad boys. You know, you can look how bad the plastic is. You know, but hey, what do you want for nothing? This one's even worse. This one's the worst one. Look at that. So if anybody's got some 74 Duster or what's the Dodge Dart interior pieces for my buddy, let me know. So I mean, look at that. At least they're all one color now. And then, where's that one little piece? Oh, here it is. That's one of the steering column things, I think. So, Kirk, you'll be happy. Perfect. Well, hopefully that's it for all the Kirk stuff. So here I am getting ready to get rolling on the Barracuda project. And my buddy comes back and he's like, hey, I found some more parts for my interior. So I got more parts to do. That one and this one and this little doohickey. I'll be painting more stuff, more blue. Now my buddy swears that these are the last parts for his car. Do you believe him? Would you believe him? I see. I wouldn't believe him. I'm sure there's more. All done. Turned out nice. Ooh, they are so blue. Blue, blue, blue. That's it. There's our little thing for the steering column. I think this is the four-way flasher switch cover. And this one is for the fold down buddy seat. And that's for one of the covers for the fold down seat in the back. If I know my buddy Kirk, he will not rest until there's a second one of these. So I'm not going to put the paint away because I know at some point another one of these hinge covers is going to show up and I'm going to have to end up painting it. But until then, we're done.